Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into the world of MySQL and exploring the basics of data manipulation language or DML statements. If you are working with databases, understanding DML is essential. These statements allow you to interact with and manipulate the data stored in your MySQL database. So, let's jump right in. Open Workbench. You can see over here, we have students table inside MySQL test DB, which we created in last video. If you have missed video on how to create table in MySQL, you may check link below in description box. The first DML statement we will look at is select. It is used to retrieve data from one or more tables. Here is a simple select statement. It fetches all columns from a table called students when you use asterisk. You can also specify particular columns like this. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's move on to the next one. Now, let's talk about insert. This statement is used to add new records to a table. Insert into students. This part specifies the name of the table where you want to insert data, in this case, the students table. First name, last name, date of birth, email, enrollment date, is active. These are the names of the columns in the students table to which you want to insert data. Values. This keyword is followed by a list of values enclosed in parentheses. These values correspond to the columns mentioned above. Lakshman value for the first name column, Swami value for the last name column. April 1994 value for the date of birth column, assuming this is a date in the format YYYY, DD. Lakshman@gmail.com value for the email column. May 2023 value for the enrollment date column, similar to date of birth. And finally value 1 for the is active column, assuming it is a boolean representing an active status. Now let's execute this statement, whether new student record is inserted in table or not. Use select statement which we have learned earlier in this video. Now, what if you need to update existing data? The update statement is your go-to for modifying existing records in a table. Here, we are updating the email of a student with a student ID. You can set new values for one or more columns based on a condition. Execute the update statement and again use select statement to verify whether Lakshman's email ID is updated to lakshman_94@gmail.com. Yes, it is updated successfully. Lastly, we have the delete statement. As the name suggests, it is used to remove records from a table. In this example, we are deleting a student with a particular student ID. Be cautious with delete, it removes data permanently. Let's go and check whether Lakshman's record is deleted or not. It is done. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.